And then this just happened. Wow. I got a Schaublin 13 mil, but I already had one, but it's still in parts and I need to restore it. And this one came up. And if you build a machine from the ground up in parts, then it's nice to have an example how it should fit together. But yeah, I had to organize the shop a little bit, reorganize the shop. And this was not planned, but sometimes things go a little bit different than planned, and sometimes patience is a virtue, because this mill was in my local metal supplier. It was there for 1.5 years, and it was in a not isolated storage, metal storage room, and it was there all summer, all winter, last summer, last winter, and it stood there in the corner, and it was in good shape, but I saw it going downhill and started to rust. And the day it came in, I asked it, or is it for sale? No, they told it's sorry, it's already sold. And okay, bummer about that. And half a year later, it was still there. So is it sold, or is it for sale? Or yeah, it's still sold. You can buy it. A year passed, 1.5 years passed, and yesterday I went to the supplier again. I saw the mill again, and I thought I'll ask again. And they say, I'm tired of it. I don't have time for it. I had a plan for it. The owner said that. Because the owner was one of the guys who worked there, and he was tired of people asking if it's for sale. So he said, if you want to buy it, make me a good offer, but you have to pick it up the day after. And I made an offer. It's a good offer because yeah, it was not in a really good condition optically, but I think technically it's okay. And it came with extra drilling, high-speed drilling head, and even the slotting head. So that's a big bonus, and especially for the price that I paid for it. So yeah, I did not plan to buy another Schaublin 13, but I'm happy that I got it, and I had to reorganize the shop to fit it in here because it's getting crowded. And one thing that I planned is getting a tool and cutter grinder, and I bought that also last week. It's a Clarkson tool and cutter grinder, MK1. So I will make a YouTube video of that later, but now I'll focus on this Schaublin. Another little workshop updates. I got a granite surface plate, 60 centimeters square, so that's nice. And yeah, as you can see, got a shaper here. It's on casters. It's not good for work, but at least I can roll it around a little bit. And the decal engraver and the Junction Shipman surface grinder, that still needs work, but yeah, it's starting to look like a real machine shop here, so I'm happy with that. But yeah, sometimes you have to follow the plans or just go with the flow, and I did the last one on this. So let's check the machine out and see the condition that it's in. It came with a big hydraulic vise. I took that off, but as you can see, the vise was on there for quite a long time, and unfortunately somebody drilled or put a mill in the in the table. It's covered with protective oil, or I don't know what, so let's see how it cleans up. And I don't have much history about the machine. Somebody decided to paint the emergency stop, but yeah, It's not in the best shape, and it's as I said, it stood still for 1.5 years at least. Yeah. But the head still moves fine. The Z-axis is a little bit stiff, so I want to clean that first before I will move it, so I don't rub any dirt or rust or chips in the parts. The chips are plastic and metal and aluminium, so yeah, no idea what it was used for. I have it on a wooden pallet. It's not really stable, but for me it's good enough. And the good thing is that I can still move it around without a heavy lifting. Yeah. Well, it's time to start cleaning, and it's a good thing that I upgraded my power tools. Yep. So let's go. I think this chuck was here for a long time on the same place, and nobody bothered to clean it. Yeah, nice cleaning. Hey, hey, de hulptroepen. The machine came with some tools, but they're all not in the best condition. And if you see how they got used, who does something like this? Or this, and what happened here? I'm not sure it was used as a precision machine. It's a nice Clarkson. Can use that. And another one. And it came with the bigger size. These are nice. Some Morse taper 2, Morse taper 1, and Rome. This one seems in good condition. So a lot of tools, but not in the best condition.